trying to figure out what your audience size is after the latest changes on Facebook, you're not alone. So stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the icon to receive a notification every time I release a new video. Okay guys, so this is Brian Rosenthal here at BSR Digital. We are going to show in this video how exactly to figure out the audience size. So if you are creating a conversions campaign or many other campaign types, you're going to see at the ad set level that no matter the interest that you select, you're going to see that the audience size is huge and doesn't reflect the actual size. So let's say I choose the interest Shopify. I'm going to see that Facebook says that there are a lot, 240 million plus to 280 million plus people in this audience. That's because Facebook by default right now is using the detailed targeting expansion and you cannot turn it off, right? So you don't know the audience size for whatever audience you choose. So the way to do it is to create a rich campaign. Don't worry, you don't need to run it. You are just going to create it on draft to assess the correct audience size. So once you create a rich campaign, you're going to take a look at the ad set level. And when you type in the same interest, so Shopify in this case, you will see that instead of 240 or 280 million people, you will see the actual size, which is 7 to 8 million plus people, right? So that's a trick you need to use right now to know the actual audience size. So if it's 200 million or 7 million, it will impact the performance, but not that much. But sometimes you have only 10,000 people or less, and that will impact the performance. So you could better create a rich campaign whenever you want to test the audience size before running any ad campaigns. See you in the next one. Thank you.